Well, good. Not gonna lie. This take me a minute because me in here, I sing it and I sing it. It is very, very catchy. One man to me goody. And that, I'm not gonna call the people them husband name, love, because you're already crazy and not lazy. Let's get into the video, alright?
Through the sixth segment. Blessed love to the nation. When I send the live, call me at work. You hear that? You finally catch my live when I send it right now. Yes, send the live to everybody and tell them for taking Queenie in the studio. Up move.
Right now.
Yeah, up move. Up move. Up like heaven. Say yes, no Queenie, because you're blessed. The fittest of the fittest survive. The strongest soldier get the hardest fight. It's when he's a warrior, he stand up firm and fight. Now I'm fighting with the mic. I'm fighting with the rhythm. I'm fighting with the lyrics.
Said, doing this track loading.
Eh? Them so what?
Doing this track loading.
I only pass something I have to say. Up move, me say. You hear that? Up move. Up like heaven.
Oh God.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tell a friend right now for come taking Queenie and see if my fucking work this, cause my voice I go all over the atlas. You hear that? Cause me don't want this. You hear that? Put the pain and the passion in the music, Queenie. Spin it on, baby. Put the first on it, don't get it. Where the one doing that? Queen of the Park.
No, them not gonna hear this yet. I'm just make it like recording.
This now?
Yeah. Like yeah, guys, no. We can do that part, let's say.
Chopping at a body. I mean, I walk with my pussy on my forehead.
Ready? Sing it to the mic, mama, so them things in a channel will see now, isn't it? Ready? Start singing, ready?
Chopping at a body. I mean, I walk with my pony on my forehead.
Alright, hold on there. Give me it again, mama.
Me no trouble not a body. I mean, I walk with my pony on my forehead. Zan Kuya. I mean, I think it's okay. So it flies up like porridge. Baby, you get on the porridge. Just tell me, ooh, you got your darling.
Hold up. Ready now?
You have to give me back another line, right? One more line. Practice becomes perfect.
Done now.
Alright, done now.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, run it. I'm ready to make them hear it now.
Alright.
When you're ready for the song, Flicker Rhyme is in the house. Vice in the Queen. Training my vice. Construct everything. Ready, madam? Gaza Nation. Vance Cartel. Remember you and
Music.
everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it. One man to me goody, that I do it. One man to me goody, that I do it. Crazy, never let everyone me go, them just a shout out, do it. Do it. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it. One man to me goody, that I do it. One man to me goody, that I do it. Make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must be end up in a body bag. Make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must be end up in a body bag. Me no trouble, not a body. I mean I work with me good for me forehead. Girl I run down my husband kuya. And when you check it, she a weird dirty body. Them life mix up like porridge. Them expire, give that to garbage. No girl can't style me. Style, ooh, I'm in a batch of darling. One man to Queenie, proud. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. One man to me goody, that I do it, that I do it, that I do it. One man to me goody, that I do it, that I do it, that I do it. Make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must be wind up in her body bag. Make a girl step to me. If she bad, she must be wind up in her body bag. Me no trouble, not a body. I mean I want to get good from my forehead. Girl I run down my husband to ya. And when you check it, she a weird dirty body. Them life big up like porridge. Them expire, give that to garbage. No girl can style me. Style who? After me no batch of Dowey. One man to me goody, that I do